Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add users to give access to Google Search Console account. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify, you wanted to start doing SEO for your Shopify online store to get organic traffic and rank your Shopify online store on Google search engine. Also, if you want to get organic traffic from other search engine, then you can continue this video, because here I'm going to share the easy guideline how to share the access of Google Search Console account to your SEO expert so that he can work on your account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Google Search Console account. Then log in. I have already Google Search Console account, so you can see that I have already logged in. Okay, here is my Google Search Console account, and I wanted to give access of this account to any others SEO expert or anyone. So to do this, you have to click on the scroll down settings. So simple. Then you can see that users and permissions. Click on that, and then click on the add user. Add your user email. For example, I'm going to add worker. For example, I want to add this user, so I have to add this user's email, and here is the permission level: full or restricted or owner. We can select owner, full or restricted. So you should share the full access. Then click on the add. When you click on the add, the user will get a email notification at their inbox that you have added these users on your Google Search Console account. So I hope you understand how you can do this very easily, very quickly, without hiring any developer, without any previous technical experience or skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.